Your system can get really slow in a while if you have some high-end software installed. It can create temporary files, can gather caches, and software like After Effects created tons of temporary files whenever you use it. Now many of you already know how to deal with this issue, but if you're a new Windows user, you might not know how to clean up your system. So without any further ado, let's get started. So at first find your run command prompt and open here, or if you don't watch it there, you can go to the search bar and search for run, click open and type recent over here and click OK. Now you will find all recent files over here. Now select all of them by Ctrl+A and delete all of them at once. Now close this tab and open it again, and now type temp and hit OK. Here is the temporary files. Now select all of them and delete them again, and check mark this one and skip. It will skip the important files which you shouldn't delete. Now again type this one and hit OK. Now this is a lot. Ctrl+A to select all of them and delete. It will take some time as it's pretty large. Check mark it and hit skip and click yes. It will delete all temporary files from your system. Wait until it's done and skip again. Finished. Now close this tab again, and now for the very last time type F or prefetch and hit OK. Now again select all of them and press delete to delete them. Again skip and now type tree and refresh it for once. Now go to this PC and select your C drive, right click, go to properties and here disk cleanup. It will calculate all the files that you can delete from your system. Check mark all of them and hit on OK and delete files. It will clean up the unnecessary files from your C drive and you can get a fresh system after this process. Hit OK, close the tab and run tree command again, refresh it and it's done. So there you have your junk free system. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and thanks again for watching. I will be seen soon.